Don't ramp with me in a YouTube. Yo, but don't ramp with me in a dog. Don't ramp with me. Don't ramp with me. Right now, I have Skillibeng. Bad every day. So I know say for the Clash Hype Man viewers them, we miss one. We miss Gunny Idiot by Intense. But you still might get it. You see me I say, but this just drop a while ago. Maybe say just drop seconds. You see me I say. I'm going to see what I go for bad everyday people. Skillibeng, bang, 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 bang. Like up the video. Like up the video. Subscribe to each other to 50k subscribers right now. Yeah, Scott the copyright Skillibeng. Copyright for start off the video, dog. January, tomorrow react to this again, dog. Bomba clad, dog. Bomba clad, dog. I black it black. I go check our email together, people. I go check our email together, people. Which song? She love East Side reaction. I'm gonna delete that bomba clad. Now keep up that. Fuck you think this thing for? Me I delete that rascal. Anyways, run through bomba clad, dog.
You're a red one.
Yo, Eastside.
Look how I'm gonna post this right now.